So now we're going to find the area of a compound figure. And what we mean by it, look at these figures. They're kind of compound. They're a little more complex. So that's the connection. And here's the thing that we want to do. First thing is we want to divide the shapes. Okay, not really divide them, but kind of break them up into rectangles, triangles, that kind of stuff. Okay, we want to do it in parts. So then we can see how to find the area of each part, and then we add it. Okay, so then we find the area of each part. Each smaller shape and more recognizable, what we have formulas for. Oops, shape. Okay, then add it all together. Then add all the areas. Okay? So I'll show you what I mean by that. And you can divide these shapes into lots of different ways. So it just depends on what kind of hits you. So if I were looking at shape number 1, I'm on number 1 right here, I might draw a line right here. And the reason I'm doing it is because here is a rectangle and here is a rectangle. And so I can find the area of each of those rectangles. So if I'm going to do that, okay, oops, I'm going to take this one, area, remember, of a rectangle. Well, hello. Area, pausing. So area of a rectangle, I know, is base times height, or length times width. So for instance, on this one, area is equal to 4 times 6. So the area here is 24. So that's the area of this rectangle. Now I'm going to find the area of this rectangle, as you can see, and that is a 3 by 10. So 3 times 10 is 30. So I take the two areas, 30 plus 24, and I get 54. 54, but it's area, so I label it yards squared. Okay, so look at number 2. What are the two shapes we're going to break this into? That's right, a triangle and a square. Oh, a square, we haven't done that yet. But here's the beauty of a square. It's the same as a rectangle. Okay, just base times height. So a triangle, I'm going to use area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Here I'm going to use area is equal to, I can use, so area of a square is side squared, okay, which just means I'm going to take the side times the side, or I'm going to take side to the second power. You can also just do base times height. No matter what, I'm going to take 6 times 6. So 6 times 6, that's 36. Here I have 1/2 times the base. Oh, what is the base? This is cool. Look at this. Okay, so this is 6 right here, because it's the same as this over here. This is 2, and this is also 2. Okay, because it doesn't show it well, but these two sides are the same length. So my base is 2 plus 6 plus 2. So my base is 2 plus 6 plus 2. So this side right over here, 6 plus 4, this is 10. So that's my base. I'm running out of space inside my triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1/2 times my base. And what's my height? Right there, 12. Okay, so I'm going to do 1/2 of 12, which is 6. 6 times 5 is, sorry, half of 12 is 6. 6 times 10 is 60. Okay, so my area for my triangle is 60. Area for my, oh, I forgot to multiply here, 36. So 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to add those two together, and I get 96. Okay, so wait, I'm not done. 96 feet squared. Have to label. Good. So now we get to practice. Oh, look at number 1. Now on number 1, you can choose. You can either divide it like this and say this rectangle compared to this one, or you can divide it like this and find the area of this rectangle and the area of this rectangle. What does your brain see? Now, if I do it this way, though I do have to pay attention, this whole thing is 12. We've already just said that from here to here is 5. So what is my length here? Okay, so the whole thing is 12. So what is 12 minus 5? 7. That would be the advantage about dividing it the other way. So if I divide it the other way, I don't even have to look at that. But I want to show you it doesn't matter which way you divide it. Okay, if I divide it this way, this is 5 by 12. And this one, oh, but this one we have to pay attention to. If this is 5, that means this from here to here is 5. So what is this length from here to here? Well, the whole thing is 10. So this also has to be 5. So this is a 5 by 5. So that's 25. 5 times 12 is 60. So to find my area here, I take 60 plus 25. And I get 85 inches squared. Okay, look at number 2. If you want to, pause yours, try it. That would be awesome. Just pause yours for a while and try it. Okay, so I'm going to divide it into, of course, this triangle up here. Hopefully you saw that. And then my rectangle. Okay, so my rectangle is all set. It's 6 times 9. That's going to be what? 54. There we go. Now look at my triangle. My triangle, I have to find the height right here. Do that in another color. I have to find my height right here. This from here to here is the same as from here to here. That is 9. But the entire thing is 14. So we have to find what is it equal to from here to here. Well, what if I take 14 minus 9? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. So my height is 5. What is my base right here, guys? Wouldn't it be the same as this down here? Yes, it would be. That'd be a 6. So my area of my triangle is 1/2 base times height. If I take 1/2 times 6, that's 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm going to add 15 and 54. 969. So 69 feet squared. Good. And that's compound figures. Hopefully that helps. Okay, so now you can go work on that packet with compound figures. Great. If you have any questions, you know where to find us. Thank you.